Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. In my hands I have the Casio AE-1300 and I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on this watch. So let's get started. First of all, without entering the settings menu, I'm going to show you how to switch between 12 or 24-hour time format. That is done whilst you are in the standard timekeeping mode by simply pressing the lower right button, and it will shuffle between AM or PM or 12 or 24-hour time format. P over here stands that it is 7 PM. I'm gonna get it back to 24-hour time format. Now let's enter the settings menu. From the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button until you hear the beep and the seconds begin to flash. You cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset them by pressing the start button. It will go to 0. They will go to 0 if the seconds currently are in the range of 0 to 29, and if they are in the range of 30 to 59, it will reset them to 30. So presumably we have set our seconds value. Now I'm gonna press the mode button once again, and we have our DST indicator flashing. Is it on? Or when I press the start button, is it off? So by pressing the lower right button, I'm shuffling between DST on or off. In my time zone, it's currently turned on. So we have set our DST value. Press the mode button over here, and now we are in the city code setting. We can shuffle the value of our city code by pressing one of these two buttons. So upper or lower one. In my time zone is Paris time zone, so I'm gonna get it to Paris time zone. Once I've set my city code, I'm gonna press the mode button over here, and we see the hour value flash. To set the hour value, I can press the upper right button or lower right button to shuffle it. So lower one increases, the upper decreases the value. I'm gonna get it to 19 since that's the time in my time zone. To move on to next setting, press the mode button once again, and we have number 34 flashing, and these are our minutes value. Again, procedure is the same. You can press the upper or lower right button, but pressing and holding it will engage fast rotation. So pressing and holding it engages fast rotation, releasing it stops it. I'm gonna set it to 36 in increments of 1. So that is my time zone, and we have set our minutes value. Now press the mode button, and we have our year value flashing over here. Upper right button decreases the value of year, and the lower right button increases the value of year. Once you have set your year value, press the mode button once again, and now we are in the position of setting our month value. Number 5 corresponds to month of May. You can again decrease it by pressing the upper, or increase it by pressing the lower right button. Once I have set my month value, I'm gonna press the mode button, and I move on to setting my day value. Today is May the 12th, but I can decrease it or increase it by pressing the lower right button. So to fine tune your values, press one of these two buttons over here. Once I've set my day value, I'm gonna press the button, and now as you can see, we are back at the beginning. Seconds are flashing, and to implement those settings that we have just ran through, we simply press the adjust button once, and the watch goes back to the standard timekeeping mode and implements all of our settings. One last setting is done from the standard timekeeping mode, and that is muting your watch. From the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the mode button until we have sign over here, which is basically telling us that our watch is muted. To unmute it, simply, as you can see, when I press the mode button, it doesn't have any tunes. To unmute it again, press and hold the same button until it disappears. Now, when I shuffle my watch, there's a beep on every press of the mode button. And that would be end of this tutorial video on the Casio AE-1300. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.